हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ मानस नागर। मेरा नाम मानस नागर है एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू सम डेमोस्ट्रेशन from one of my book, which is in the supply chain management SAP S/4HANA, or you can see here internal movement of the material. The topic is the replenishment process. So all the books you will find in the with the step-by-step configuration. So here one of the book I will give you like a demonstration. So internal movement of the material in the warehouse through the planned replenishment process. So I have my own written book. This is my own written book in the basic to advanced level integration and like tools and in SAP EWM all the processes. So you can go to topmate.io/Mansnagar to buy the directly books from there, or you can directly send me the message, send me the mail on my number, or you can call me to get the attractive price or discount. So let's get started. SAP S/4HANA Extended Warehouse Management, internal movements of the material. Okay, when we have the internal movement in the warehouse through the planned replenishment process. So here also I covered reverse or straight strategy, picking the material from the hierarchy storage type or open storage type to bring into the, I have the another bin storage type fixed, where we have the replenishment storage bin, perform replenishment process. System will check step by step, find the pick material, and how system will perform this operation, how we do the picking. So then after I put here like some of the explanation. If a warehouse task is created and not triggered, completed means open state. Once we have the worker pick the complete put away task, then the state will be changed. Where how the warehouse task change the state. Then means I explain here about the warehouse or ZRPL, like stock removal control indicator, so all these things. Okay, then here in the system I give the example. So this is for an example, my warehouse number, fixed bin, this is the fixed storage type, this is a product. Okay, and like this. So here replenishment process, and in the last class what I explained, add prod, add HU, replenishment process. Suppose in the warehouse we have fixed storage type. So guys, I have the SAP test system in which I created one warehouse, company code, storage type, storage section, storage bins, everything I created in the SAP test system. And with the class I giving the example, like take the screenshots and then fixed storage type, open storage type, minimum quantity. Okay, then here if you see minimum quantity will go 10. System should create a warehouse task, hierarchy or open storage type in this example. Okay, these are the configuration steps I covered. Okay, then testing phase. In the testing phase, go to SPRO transaction. Okay, there click on the extended warehouse management master defined storage type, like step by step. So this is my warehouse mans. So here you can see warehouse I put fixed storage type, then I put how I like most of the cases in the storage type, or like I copy from the standard, or if I have the like this like warehouse, I copy it from here, create a new changes. So steps are there. Then very important, we have here use fixed storage type. Okay, then after in the book storage bin label fixed bins, then after blank means storage bin label, then bin mat, then I will go to the material. Okay, then here you can see storage type, maximum, minimum material quantity, replenishment bins, active replenishment storage type strategy. Then go to the system. This system I took from but I created this warehouse entire configuration step by step, and this system I took from rent monthly basis SAP S/4HANA EWM system. But here I did the configuration and see warehouse process type. This is I explain item type SRLP, so replenishment. Okay, and then You can see each and every steps, custom stock removal control indicator, SRCA, all the things I explain. System will check step by step all the notes, steps you will find. Okay, then replenishment, see, replenishment bin filling the picking process. So this is about the first. So standard warehouse process type for replenishment, 3010 stock removal control indicator, ZRPL. Now the FIFO. Okay, see, removal control indicator, warehouse process type, and here we have the storage type replenishment. The removal strategy, we have the first in first out. Okay, with the warehouse. So now, before testing this above created replenishment process with the FIFO strategy, okay, then I will verify the stock is available in the, first we need to verify if we have the stock or not. Okay, then after, then how I check the stock in the warehouse management? No products. Okay, so then how we check the products? Then flexible options, these are the flexible option. Do not consider minimum quantity. What is the meaning of this? And like, do not consider. Okay, and another options, fill of maximum quantity means system will fill each and every step I have explained here in my books. Then suppose we have the warehouse and I design this fixed, and if we have the HU here, and we can see I indicated each and everything, like material, this is the material, and this is the, for an example, everything we have I demonstrated from the diagram also. So click on the execute button, then two warehouse task would be created. Then cancel warehouse task, what is the meaning of? We need to uncheck. So everything in detail actually, and it's long, like around very long books I have. Each and every book I have very long, like many pages explanation, deep explanations written by me. And here we can see, and the above activity needs to be performed. So like all quantity came to ZFix, which is a fixed storage type, to be picked, okay, by the warehouse workers. So then how we do? So replenishment teams go to the warehouse first early in the morning, and then they will perform the replenishment activity from the reverse area, G-fixed. So pick list activity. Okay, the more like I have my own books like in the very deep, and I will share this. The people, they can contact me, mail me, call me, message me. Thank you very much, guys. So you will understand this is like just a demo, but all my processes books are very like in detail, in depth, step by step, everything. Thank you, guys. So this is just demo. I have this replenishment process in part 1 and part 2, but this is just demo for part 1. So like my all the books like are same. Thank you, guys. In the integration, all like processes, tools, advanced tools. Thank you, guys.